Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? You're all doing really well. So guys, as you can tell, I've had a little play with some makeup today. I've not done my hair. We're not even going to talk about my hair in this video, guys, because on Tuesday, you're watching this on Saturday, so on Tuesday I'm gonna go and get my hair done. I'm revamping. I've just got a lot of product on my hair, like a hair mask, just to prep me ready for that. My hair is just going to be like this in this video, and it's completely fine, and it'll be the same in Wednesday's video because you girls bulk filming today. I'm going to do a chit chat video on Wednesday, so you'll see the Easter spring inspired makeup look on today's video. Oh my god, how bloody much of an intro am I gonna do? I have played music over the top of this for the simple fact I needed some therapy, just to sit down and play with some makeup, because you girl, come on, oh my god. Basically, I've come on my period, so I'm a raging, hormonal, stressed out, you know the vibe. So I thought, you know, in today's video I'm just gonna play some music over the top, have a little bit of therapy, play with some makeup, because guys, I've been boring just lately with my makeup. I have literally just been doing the same sparkly little brown number on my eyes for weeks, and you guys know I love colour. That's the whole reason I started up my YouTube channel. I love colour, so welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is twice a week. I didn't upload Wednesday last week because, guys, oh my god, I was feeling so sorry for myself. I hadn't come on at that point and I was feeling sick. I had the headache from hell. My stomach was doing the most awful cramps. My back was killing me. I just sat on the sofa. I had my breakfast, I had the camera ready, I had the room ready, all ready to film and to go. And when I washed up my pots after my breakfast, I was like, your girl just hasn't got the energy. So I'm back today and I have got the energy. I've put some cute little freckles on. I've done this gorgeous Easter egg spring pastel makeup look. I hope you enjoy it. So if you want to keep on watching without me babbling on, enjoy the video, guys, and I will see you in Wednesday's video. Love you lots. Hey beautifuls, did you enjoy that video? I hope you did. If you did, smash that thumbs up because it pushes my videos out on the YouTube algorithm. It helps it a lot. Also comment down below what videos you'd like to see in the future, and also if you haven't already and you want to join my Glam Fam family, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me for you to join and follow me on this journey. There will be some vlog style videos coming up soon. Summer's approaching, you know, the clocks went forward, guys, so there's going to be a lot coming on this channel. There's going to be some vlogging in the caravan. There's going to be taking Maisie out and everything, because weather permitting, it's going to start getting a lot better. I need that vitamin C. I need it in my life. So can you tell I've not talked through this video because I'm all talkative now. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, I love you so, so much. And welcome to the Glam Fam. Welcome back, Glam Fam family. If you're coming back and you're my returning subscriber, I love you so much. You know the love vibe on this channel. And I will see you in Wednesday's video, guys. Love you lots. Have a fabulous weekend, week, whatever you're doing. And have a fantastic Easter.